Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome to GlobeTech GH. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, and share the video. And please don't forget to turn on the notification bell for any other new tutorials that will be coming on. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the internet for free. Day in, day out, we buy data that enable us to save the internet, which costs us a lot. But on this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use the internet for free, and it will enable you to save the money that could has been used for data. To do this, go to Google. Type in apklz.n. This one, apklz.n. Just tap on it. Please select the second link. There are a lot of applications on this website, but we are going to search for EMPERORVPN. EMPERORVPN. Then you search for it. They are the same applications, the EMPERORVPN, but with different versions. So we are going to use the first application. That's what we are going to use for the tutorial. So you just tap on it. This is the download link. You just tap on it. Our download will start in a short time. So let's wait for it. Okay, do you want to download or what? So you just tap on download. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. So it has finished downloading. Here's the application. You just open it and install it. Okay, just tap on the install. So let's wait for the full master security to scan it before. Okay, it has finished scanning it. Let's go back to the application. So you just open it. You just tap on the allowed just to open. This is how it's going to look like until you update it. So this one, you just need some 10 megabyte data to update it, to get different or to generate new locations for you, because this one you can't open it until you update it. So you just tap on the update. Okay, it has finished updating. So the location and the network has opened. So for the location, you select free saver 2. That's the free users only, free saver 2, this one. And the network, you select Galaxy Unlimited, that's the GeForce, this one. So for the username and the password, you are going to use the application name for the username and the password. That will be the EMPERORVPN. Then for the password, to the same thing, EMPERORVPN. And after that, you go back to your phone settings. You tap on the SIM card and mobile network. Maybe yours will not be looking as mine, but the same, you get the same thing like as I'm having here. So you just tap on it. You are going to select the network that you want to use the application for. So you just select MTN. Then the access point names, because we are going to create different access point names for it. So you tap on the plus just to create different access point name for the software or the application. The name you are going to use MTN GH. Then the APN, we are going to use MMS. That's MMS. Okay. Then you tap on the vertical dot just to save it. So as you can see, you have already activated the MTN GH internet, so you have to activate the new APN that you have created. That's the MTN GH, that's the MMS. So you just tap on it, so you have activated it like that. So let's go and let's open the software and see. So for here, you have finished whatever like we need to do here, so you just connect it. Tap on OK. Okay, it's connecting. As you can see, connecting, authenticating, connected. Okay, the software, it has connected. Let's check and see whether it will work for the free internet or not. Let's go to YouTube. Let's open YouTube and see whether it will come or not. To run slow sometimes, but it's working. Let's wait for a while and see. As you can see, it has come. It's still loading. So let's go and try Facebook too and see. Still loading. Let's go and try Facebook and see. So let's open Facebook and see whether it will come or not. For Facebook, it will come. Yeah, it's already here. See, if it wasn't working, you know, see the pictures, it will be on free mode. Actually, it's working. You can see the pictures. Let's go and try WhatsApp too and see whether it will work or not. Let me chat one of my friends, Samuel. Samuel is a good friend of mine. So let me just use this one to chat him and see. Hi, let me just hi him and see. Okay, since the network is running slow, but it will come. Okay, let's go to Google and see whether Google will come or not. So let's search for my YouTube channel, GlobeTech GH. Depends the network that you are using. Maybe the network can be fast. Yeah, if it is fast, everything will just be working fast for you to be running fast for you. As you can see, it's still loading, so let's wait. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, GlobeTech GH. This one, that's it. The application is working. It's actually free. It's working. You can see my friend, the hi. Yeah, it is gone. It's just the network. The network is running slow for me, that's why. And you can see one of my friends is online. That's it. Please, if you find this helpful, subscribe, like and share, and then don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That will enable you to see or to be notified when I post different tutorial on the YouTube channel. Please share and and subscribe for me for us to grow the channel together. See you on the next video. Bye.